Very cold outside. Why do you go away? So that you can come back, right? And so that you can see the place you came from with new eyes and extra colors, and the people there see you differently too. Coming back to where you started is not the same as never leaving. So travel often. Designate one weekend a month to get yourself out of the city, out of the country, or at least out the front door of your apartment. Let the ever-changing scenery of your life keep you inspired, refreshed, and consistently reminded that there is so much more to world than your everyday routine. Hello everyone, this is Abhi and welcome back to a new vlog. Right now I'm heading to the Cameron Highlands with Claire. Luckily she was available and we could match our schedule. Yeah, and this is going to be escape from a city life into the nature.
We just get down here for 10 minutes. Yeah. And what I heard, like it's been 1 hour from here to the reach to the Cameron Highland. So we already wanted to drink. We skipped our breakfast, and then Claire was very hungry. She was just sitting just over there. Yeah. So I think she see the chips. Now she's feeling better. Yeah. So.
Okay, so now we can talk. Let's talk about something a bit Cameron Highland. So Cameron Highland in Pahang, which is like one of the Malaysia most popular tourist destination, because collection of peaceful township was with 1,500 meter high on a nest of mountains. Yeah, and San he always mentioned about Cameron Highland because he's been there many times and he always insists to me to go to Cameron Highland. And so yes, and it's 200 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur, and which is the accessible by road. So I was thinking about the Nainital in Uttarakhand in India, the mountains, how the roads are zigzag way, So I was expecting, and I have experienced the same way when I was going through this. So yes, it is not really scary for me. That it's not really too deep, it's not very top of the mountains, but maybe I don't see it, but it was a good view, scenery wise, very good. Just having a lot of greeneries and all around things. But the temperature, is what I heard, it's it goes below the 9 degree, at the night especially. So definitely you can expect how cold the weather at night. Yeah, so I'm excited about this. And when it comes to attraction, there's a tea plantation is over there, and they have a bee farms, strawberry farms, nature, definitely gardens and shopping. There are a lot of Cameron Highland it offers actually. Yeah, let's see in reality what we get time to explore, because the weather is always the barrier, for me. It might gonna rain, but I can see the forecast. So let's go.
Good evening everyone, this is Abhi and I'm here right now at Cameron Highlands. The weather is cold. How much temperature, Claire? She's the forecasting reporter for today. The Wi-Fi is not working. So it's 16 actually the degrees. So basically which is the normally we use for the aircon. 16 is the minimum temperature. This is what we are feeling right now and quite heavily raining actually at the moment. Since the moment we reached to the Cameron Highland. But this gives me the, it reminds me of the month of November when when I was in India. That's the time when the winter enters. And this is the feeling we have at the morning and the night time actually. So this is what we miss, especially in KL, because KL is mostly sweating, and humidity and all those things. So this is good. And let's see what we can do in Cameron Highland. And I hope we'll have something nice as a memory, and that we can bring back to the KL. Yeah, that's it.
Hello.
Yeah. How are you?
It's so cozy here. I just had a chocolate drink
Oh, really?
for 2 ringgit.
Oh no, actually it was 4 ringgit.
Oh, you tipu me.
No. They tipu us. I was thinking 2 ringgit. It's cold actually, right? Yeah, I can see it's cold and actually we are feeling. This is the whole place actually was in this mini house, which is cute. And basically this is the area for the family. Basically they have the family area. Yeah, they have covered a big area actually. Yeah. They're parking down actually, and this is the reception area. So yeah, it's cute. Since after lockdown, everyone expect good business, and I hope they are having good business. And this is the place where I'm staying right now. A very cute mini house which is fully booked. Everything is fully booked. People are having dinner at this moment. I know that mostly sunrise will be from this side, so I'm hoping that I will have very nice sunrise tomorrow morning. I'm really waiting for a very nice sunrise. Yeah. So it's time to have dinner. And Claire is so busy just to doing something. What are you doing, Claire? So basically this chicken, this is barbecue chicken if I'm not wrong, and this is black pepper chicken. Black pepper chicken, because I can eat chicken as only, so a fish ball, yeah. So and some veggie.
The soup is chicken based.
Chicken. That's again one socket here, one socket here, and one socket is here. It's for the MacBook, for the laptop. Sorry, no, I can use it. And they have given as well. Let me show you. TV, and then space, the blanket, towel. It's the bed. This is my messy things. And this is the door, and then this nice view actually. It's cold actually, so I just close this one. Here you see that. It's really cold, so I just prefer to just close it, but it's nice actually, yeah. And if I turn on the light, That's it. So it's good spot actually. For bachelor, for single, this is a good spot. Definitely, I can say. Yeah. I'm back. So yesterday I wanted to come to Cameron Highlands because today's election day, and so I thought everyone is going back to their state for the voting, so it's a peak season, peak time, not to travel very far. Yeah, and I heard a lot of time from San, that he always recommend me, he always insist me to go to Cameron Highlands, and I never been to Cameron Highlands definitely, so I thought it's not that far and it's easily accessible just by bus, which took around 4 hours, more than 4 hours actually, yeah, from KL, yeah. So that's it, and tomorrow we are going back to KL. We'll reach by 9 maybe, yeah. And I really try to convince San to come to this trip. Yesterday was free enough, so I wanted to make it most of it, so but he had work, so he couldn't join me, and then I just speak with Claire, and she said she's from Saturdays she's free actually, so she said yes, I can join you. So I said why not, that more than ready, more than ready.
Actually, like where they arranged someone to pick us and from here, and they will take us to that Flora park, yeah. And but Claire, she was really not confident about going to the Flora, and she's the one who recommended me actually. But she said it's overcharging, which is 50 ringgit per person, and actually yes, it's kind of overcharging, but I hope it's worth it, like paying 50 ringgit per person and going to the Flora park. I hope it's worth it. So let's go. And one funny experience was like when we were going, through this jeep or whatever you call it. I feel like I'm going to meet my grandfather, and I'm going to the village. Yeah, but that was fun, like everything is fun actually. It's all about how you see the world.
They have given to me this. Okay, it's just a map basically. This is the spot I like. I would like to fly drone here. I think it's the biggest spot actually. Pickup point. Okay. Okay. There are a lot of spots for the photography. See, they have already mentioned that. So let's go. Claire, are you loving it? You said you don't want to come. now her smiles has said everything. She's happy. because she can take a lot of pictures.
My dress.
She's missing the dress.
Okay, so Flora Park garden, actually it's not a park. Garden, basically there are a lot of flowers, and which excited me about the park before that I saw there's so many spots, and honestly speaking, I wanted to fly a drone. I wanted to capture that moment, but when I saw this, I felt so bad. Oh no, it's not worth paying 50 ringgit just to come and explore here. I mean, yeah. When we follow our heart, this is some magic happens, and that's the magic of travel. You leave your home secure in your own knowledge and identity, and you meet people you could not invent. So we trust strangers, and you see the scenes you could not imagine. Your own world, which was so large as to consume in your whole life, maybe sitting in a room, sitting in an apartment, in your whole house, becomes smaller and smaller until it's only one tiny dot in time and space. We search for better questions, not answers, when we're traveling. We truly graduate, in fact, technically, and we choose never to come back. But when we return, we are not same as like before. We are completely a different person. So travel, #travel, treat together.